Welcome to Program Planning. In this brief presentation, I will describe the format of the course and how you will be graded. Also, I will describe how you will use a planning wiki for group planning activities. Be forewarned, this course covers a lot of material in a very short amount of time, so make sure that you make the time to read all of the course materials, engage in group planning activities, and write your own program plan. To succeed in this course, it is important that you read the entire syllabus. Also, read each chapter as it is assigned, work on the group planning every week, make note of the projects and assignments that are due, and do not miss the deadlines. You will be evaluated on 3 major projects: the group planning process, the individual program plan, the press kit including a press release for your program. For the group planning, you will be using a wiki. To introduce you to this tool, you must watch the Wiki and Introduction video on WebCT course homepage. You will start planning from the very first day of class and will be evaluated on your contribution to the planning process on 4 different occasions using the discussion board and grading rubric. The program plan will be submitted by each student. Although the program plan is based on the group planning wiki, the written program is not a group project. Each of you will write the entire program plan, all 9 sections. The content of the sections is described in the syllabus, pages 2 through 4, and follows the content pages of the planning wiki as well as the chapters in your textbook. The last project you will submit in this class is the press kit with press release. To prepare for this project, read the information under Working with the Media on the WebCT course homepage. Now, a few words on the planning wiki. After watching the introductory video, register to use the wiki at wetpaint.com. You will receive an invitation to join the planning wiki. You will receive the invitation at your email address on record. Please note that this is not your WebCT email address. Once you have registered for the planning wiki, start planning immediately. Each week you will work as a group on a section of the group project. There are a total of 9 separate sections which parallel the chapters in your textbook. As a result, you will heavily rely on your textbook for the planning process. However, this should not be your only source of information. You will need to research for additional information to create the actual program plan, and will be using sources such as the Census Bureau, the Centers for Disease and Control Prevention website, as well as a variety of journal articles. The planning process is a group process, and group processes can be stressful for many students. To make life easier for your colleagues, keep 4 points in mind. Be courteous to each other, make sure that you do not delete each other's work on the wiki. Do your share of the work, and be prompt. If you are responsible for one component of the needs assessment, for example, do not wait until the last minute to post. Don't forget that your fellow students need the information to submit the different sections of the program plan. Finally, be accurate and cite your sources. Remember that this information will be used by each of you to write the program plan. Keeping track of the sources on the wiki makes it easier for everyone as they prepare to submit the written program. Using a planning wiki is a new experience for most of you, so if you are having problems and have questions, please ask by posting your questions on the WebCT discussion board. I will post a reply as soon as possible. If problems arise that you do not want to post on a discussion board, contact me via WebCT email. This class will require that you work hard and make a good effort, but if you take it one step at a time, you will meet the challenges and succeed. Have a great semester.